You know how people are always like, I don't even remember what I ordered. And you're like, you're such a liar. It's just a gimmick to get me to watch. I really don't remember what I ordered. I could have looked it up, but I thought it would be more fun to open it together. Ooh, I do remember this now. Y'all, you're not going to believe that this is Walmart. It is giving definite made well. It is so well constructed. It has an elastic waist. I love the empire and the ruching right here. Pockets, a bottom ruffle. You can size down in this. I feel like it runs a little big. Oh, I remember this. Okay, this was a clearance find that I just really wanted in my own closet. So here it is on, I think I paid maybe $8 for it. Natural nails, baby. Oh yeah. It is a sweater knit buttoned vest. This might be a little risque for some, and I know that I'm like blinding you right now. But it is a super popular style, and if you like it, because I do, like this is an awesome material, you can always just put a tank underneath it. And then these jeans weren't in this delivery, but I had picked them up in store at Walmart. They're also a Walmart find. They are a fun barrel, like wide leg, but not too wide. From the Jessica Simpson line, highly recommend. Oh, I shared this with you guys in a collage. And I ordered this green color because it is perfect for fall. You know how like as a parent, you're not supposed to pick favorite? I got a favorite. Oh my gosh, like this is incredible. It's a slight V on the waist, so it's very slimming, obviously very stretchy. I love the smocked here. I love the wide, I was gonna say wide neck. I love the wide straps. So it's regular bra friendly. It's a great length, no pockets, but I know some prefer that for a slimmer silhouette. And this one might be the thing that I've been most excited about because, come on guys, you know what this looks like? Yeah, it looks exactly like that other more expensive brand, but this one is from Walmart and it comes in so many colors. Look how big it is on the inside, and it even has this internal pocket that's padded. So it would be perfect to put an iPad or a work laptop. It also has this external pocket, so lots of storage, especially for mamas and my working babes. And look how cute it is with this dress paired with some boots. All of these pieces are perfect for fall transition. All you have to do is comment shop for the link and I will send you all of the pieces.